Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to delete a domain from Shopify. Alright, let's begin. First, open Shopify and go to the bottom left corner to click on Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down and select Domains. This will show you a list of all the domains connected to your store. If you have multiple domains, you need to set your default Shopify domain as the primary domain before deleting the others. Click on your default Shopify domain and set it as the primary domain. Once this is done, you can delete the other connected domains. To remove a domain, click on it, then select Delete Domain and confirm the removal. Repeat this process for any other domains you want to remove. Once deleted, your Shopify store will revert to using the default Shopify domain. So that's basically how you can delete a domain from Shopify. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.